What's up, friends? Welcome back to the channel. Monday, June 2nd, and we are finally back at Costco once again. Today's video, Costco's new arrivals. What's new here at the warehouse? Yes, I did take a week off, but we are back in action. Let's not waste any time and get into the video. But first, friends, do not forget about our giveaway. The link will be in the comments section. Click that link to enter the giveaway. It's absolutely free. Let's get on with the video. And starting the video off in the #1 spot from Apple, we do have the AirPods Pro 2. This is the second generation. Now these wireless earbuds are pretty sweet. They have the active noise cancellation, they're MagSafe, they have the hearing aid feature, which is excellent. They even include the Apple Care Plus. Now if you are considering buying additional purchases, maybe you need a laptop and maybe you need an iPad, consider buying it at Costco.com. If you spend $500, it does qualify for potentially saving additional $50 off. So consider buying it at Costco.com. You can pick it up here at the warehouse for $199.99. In the #2 spot, already sold out at Costco.com, we have the new Logitech MX keyboard and mouse combo. It has a backlit keyboard. It's Bluetooth, USB-C rechargeable. Pretty awesome keyboard here. Decent reviews online. Now, if you want to pick it up, you do have to grab it here at the warehouse. Already sold out at Costco.com. It's compatible with Windows, Mac OS, iOS, Linux, and Android. $99.99. In the #3 spot from Green Pan, we have their superior 5-quart stainless steel saute pan. Now this pan is pretty sweet. It's professional grade 3-ply construction, so it does feature 2 layers of stainless steel with an aluminum core. If you don't own a stainless steel pan, try this one out. It's not too bad. It's not too expensive. You can use it to make sauces. You can use it to saute. Once you learn how to cook with stainless steel, you're going to love it. Plus, the pan looks fantastic. It does have a nice build to it, and it's pretty inexpensive, $34.99. Now, I do understand if you don't want to bother with stainless steel, it's not for everyone, but check these out from Tefal. We have the ceramic non-stick frying pan set in the #4 spot. It's a 3-piece set, so you get an 8-inch, you get a 10.5-inch, and you also get a 12-inch. These are pretty nice because they are compatible with all cooktops, even induction. What's also nice about these frying pan sets, they're oven safe up to 500 degrees. You don't see that too often when it comes to non-stick. Now you can pick these up here at the warehouse for $39.99. In the #5 spot, this time from Gourmet, we have their new 11-quart dual basket air fryer. Has a smart finish and 4-layer cooking. The original price is $129.99, currently on sale. And yes, I am going to show it in tomorrow's flash deals for the week, so stay tuned for that. It's a space-saving design, but I didn't like the design, I didn't like the price, and I didn't like the build or the finish to it. It just felt a little bit cheap in my opinion. It should have been stainless steel. For this price point, who's going to spend $100 on this? Even though it does have some pretty decent reviews so far, has a large capacity, so that's what I think is appealing to the public, the large capacity. You can pick it up right now for $99.99. It kind of reminds me of one of those storage bins you can buy at Target, that you can put the socks in one drawer, the underwear in another drawer. That's what it reminds me of. But anyways, leave a comment below, let me know your thoughts. And just very quickly, in the #6 spot from Oral-B, we're looking at their perfect clean and whiten rechargeable electric toothbrush. And finally, we see a single pack here at Costco. 3 brushing modes: daily clean, whitening, and sensitive mode. Also has a nice built-in 2-minute timer. So you get the rechargeable handle, 1 brush head, the travel case, and a handle charger, $69.99. And if you are in the market for a 2-pack right next to it, check out the Philips Sonicare, their Optimal Clean. Now this rechargeable toothbrush, they claim it does remove up to 10 times more plaque removal than a manual toothbrush, has 2 different cleaning modes with 2 different intensities. Now it also has a 2-minute built-in timer, $99.99. And moving on to the very popular Christine S Hair Signature Styling Set in the #8 spot. This is their 3-in-1 ceramic flat iron. Now, a lot of ladies do love this. It's very popular on social media once again. It does create nice sleek styles. You get the S waves, you get the flat iron waves, you get the curls. Very versatile tool here. You can pick it up for $89.99. Also available at Costco.com for the same price. And now in the number 9 spot, we did find a new rolling cart here at Costco. I do like it. It's a 3-tier, extra wide trays on it. Has that beautiful matte black finish to it. 4 casters at the bottom, extra wide, nice convenient handles. It's available at Costco.com for $46.99. Here at the warehouse, $39.99. But everyone's question on their mind, how well does it spin? So we have to try it out. Give it a little power. Let's see how well it spins. Not bad at all, but we do need to add a little bit more oomph to it to see if it spins pretty good. There it is, not too shabby. So if we do load it up, you can expect it to roll around your house pretty well, $39.99. In the number 10 spot, this time from Tramontina, we have their jumbo 6-piece steak knife set. Now these do look pretty awesome, not too bad. They have the high carbon steel blades, 3 stainless steel rivets on them. They're dishwasher safe. They look pretty good, not too bad. A little bit old school looking, which I like. Nice steak knife set here, and the price is pretty awesome at $16.99. Not too much to complain about at that price point. And if you're on the market for a new backrest pillow, we do have one available from BTS. We have the full fur backrest pillow. Now the cover material, 100% polyester cover with polyester fiber fill. The support is medium. Now these are great for game rooms, bedrooms, dorm rooms, you name it, playrooms. We have 2 different colors available. We have the gray. We also have the ivory. Here at the warehouse, the price is not bad for $13.99. Available at Costco.com for $22.99. And then right next to it, we do have some new decorative pillows available. Now these do come in a 2-pack. They're 22 by 22. They do look nice. We have 4 different colors to choose from. We have the white, we have the gray, we have the navy, and then we even have this copper/brown color. They all look great. These are hypoallergenic. They do have that alternative fill to them, and you can pick them up here for $32.99. In the number 13 spot, we have the new cooling throw blankets here. These are pretty awesome. Year-round comfort, 60 by 70 inches. We have 4 different colors to choose from. The gray, the blue, the green, and we do have the tan. They're diamond quilted, so they do have that nice design to them. Machine washable. They're even reversible. You can grab them for $21.99, $24.99 at Costco.com. And we have a new food storage set, this time from Pyrex. We have their 8-piece decorative glass food storage set. These are very durable. They're dishwasher, freezer, and microwave safe. We have the Stitch available, and we also have the very popular Hello Kitty. You can't go wrong with either or. So if you know anybody who loves this, definitely pick them up. This would make a great gift. So it's an 8-piece set. So what exactly do we get? We get 4 containers and 4 lids. 2 of the containers are 6.42 cups, and then the other 2 are 3.74. $17.99. Even though it's not on sale, it's an amazing price. And moving on to the number 15 spot from Taylor, we have a nice 2-piece digital thermometer bundle set here. Pretty great reviews. Now this bundle set, you get the infrared thermometer, and then you get the instant read thermometer. Both of them are fantastic. Now the laser infrared surface thermometer is great for other things, besides cooking, so keep that in mind as well. Now this is a great set to pick up, definitely a great tool. You should have it in your household. $21.49. That's a great price for that 2-piece bundle set. In the number 16 spot, this time from the Sharper Image, we have their new air compression boots, and the reviews online, not bad at all. Pretty awesome, I must admit. So we have 2 different sizes. We have a large XL that does fit inseams up to 29 inches to 34 inches, and then we have a small medium that fits inseams up to 25 inches to 31. This is great if you have poor circulation, or maybe you need something for a speedy recovery. This definitely helps recovery, getting that lactic acid out. These compression boots, pretty awesome. Something similar from Hyper Ice, a name brand that makes the Hypervolt. They have something similar, triple the price. So here at Costco, a fraction of the cost from the Sharper Image. If you don't like it, just return it. Costco's return policy, pretty awesome. No need to worry about that. $149.99, pretty amazing price. Same price as Costco online. In the number 17 spot from Bino, we have their 2-pack of stackable drawer storage bins. Now these are pretty nice. They're clear acrylic, so they have a nice clear view to them. No assembly required. They have a nice smooth gliding drawer. They look great. They're just a little bit expensive. Now they did copy the air fryer design in my opinion, just a little bit smaller, but here they are. That's super crystal clear. Now here you can pick them up at the warehouse for $31.99. They are a little bit on the pricier side, but you can see the quality there. Pretty similar to that air fryer, but we have some more storage bins I do want to show you. Right next to it, we have a new bath mat also available. Let's go over that very quickly. Now, if it wasn't for the shape of the actual bath mat, I would like these a lot. Why? Because they're 100% cotton, which is great. They're 24 by 36 inches. Now, they have 4 different colors to choose from. Now, the shape is kind of looks like a cloud in my opinion. I like my bath mats to be rectangular. But we have 4 different colors to choose from: the green, the tan, the navy, and we also have a dark gray. $10.79, not bad. And moving on to the number 19 spot, this time from Joseph & Joseph. We're looking at their Flex Light toilet brush 2-piece set here. Now, I've often shown this brand on my Amazon videos, so if you haven't watched those, make sure you watch them. I am going to release a new Amazon video this week, as well as Sam's Club. We have a 2-piece set here, 2 brushes, 2 holders, a nice, unique, flexible design, anti-drip, anti-clog, has durable bristles, $21.99 for the 2-pack. And here we have the other 2-pack of storage bin sets that I did see here at the warehouse. So these are from the brand called Standby. It's a 2-pack collapsible bin storage set. They're clear acrylic. They're also stackable, as you can see here. So you can buy multiple sets and then just keep on stacking them on each other. Pretty nice looking set. Still a little bit expensive in my opinion. I'm not too crazy about it. I'm curious to see how much the price drops when it does go on sale. $34.99 for that 2-pack. Say goodnight to everybody.
Good night, everybody.
And say thank you for watching the Deal Finder.
Deal Finder.
Oh, perfect. Mwah. Okay, good night. And then from Seville, we do have this 2-section laundry hamper. It does have 2-inch casters at the bottom, a polyester fabric, a removable bag. It's 3.91 bushel feet, so it does have a nice capacity to it. $32.99, not bad at all for this laundry hamper. We've seen many. It does have those durable handles on the side as well. In the number 22 spot from Turtle Wax, we have their Renew and Restore wipes. Now these do come in a 12-pack. Pretty interesting product here from Turtle Wax. So it does remove water spots, it removes light scratches, oxidation, hazy headlights. I'm curious to see how well that works. Paint transfer, so you get 1 pair of gloves. You can use it on your automotive. You can even use it in your household. The 12-pack here does cost $12.99. And check out this massive jug I found here at Costco. You get the jug and you get the 4 cups. The cups are stackable, which is great. This thing is 64 ounces in total, so it is massive. We have the percolator right next to it. So the jug, so we get 64-ounce jug, 4 cups that are stackable. It's double wall, it's BPA free, it's lead free, keeps your cold drinks cold for up to 34 hours, keeps your hot drinks hot for up to 5 hours. Pretty nice jug here, not too bad for the size. So for the 64-ounce jug with 4 cups, you can pick it up here at Costco for $29.99. Not too bad at all. Now, I'm pretty sure most of you have seen the H2O Go, the crocodile water park here at Costco. They brought in this new one, which looks like a shark to me, but they're calling it a Whales and Waves. That's a new design for this year. I prefer the crocodile one in my opinion. I was able to grab that on clearance. I am going to show a new Costco clearance video this Friday, so stay tuned for that. The Whales and Waves, which looks like a shark, right in front of me, is going for $349.99. I was able to grab the crocodile one on clearance for $190 at my local warehouse. And then just around the corner, also new here to Costco, the Topps 2025 flagship collection. These cards are pretty awesome. I feel like cards, they died down for a little period, and now these are back in action. Very hot sellers. If you have anybody who loves trading cards, definitely grab this. This would light them up. This makes an awesome present. Definitely pick it up. It's a great price, too, for what you get. It's a fantastic price, $39.99. And now from Keter, we do have their walnut elevated garden bed. I like this one a lot. I like the Keter products. This one looks pretty good. I like the walnut and black combination. It's 29 gallons. It's self-watering. This is a great product. It's good for indoor and outdoor, especially for those of you who have a small space at home. Maybe you just have a patio to work with or a deck. Maybe you live in an apartment. You have a little section. This is perfect. You can plant some mint, some herbs, maybe do like a little hot pepper garden. This is perfect, especially for beginners too. Maybe you want to do a big garden. You want to do something small, and it's a good price. Not bad at all. Very easy maintenance here, and it's $99.99. And now from Simple Safe, we have their security system. If you're serious about home security, you want to take it up a little notch, check out this system from Simple Safe. You get one outdoor camera. They actually monitor everything for you. Comes with 3 months of free 24/7 monitoring. So they have a professional service where they actually monitor everything for you to make sure you're safe. This is a pretty nice little set here, a 10-piece set, and the price is not bad at all. You get this 10-piece set for $189.99, and it does come with 3 months free of the 24/7 monitoring. And just very quickly, friends, let's go over this giveaway. We have the Shark Womvac, their Power Pet core-free handheld vacuum. Only 3 days left. The giveaway does end June 6th at 6 p.m. Make sure you enter. It's absolutely free to enter. You don't have to do anything crazy. Just enter your information. Follow directions. I am going to leave a link in the comment section. Click that link. Follow directions. The giveaway is absolutely free. It's currently on sale. If you do want to buy it, $20 off, $79.99. All right, friends, ending the video here. If you did enjoy today's video and you do enjoy this type of content, make sure you subscribe to our channel. It's good to be back. I missed everyone. If you want to hit that thumbs up, I would appreciate it. Don't forget to enter the giveaway. It's absolutely free. Only 3 days left. Make sure you follow me over on Instagram at Watch the Deal Finder. I'll see you tomorrow with a new video, friends. The flash deals for the week. Coming this Friday, we have a new clearance video, so stay tuned for that. I'll see you tomorrow with a new video, friends. Peace.